What is the meaning of this thing? Subject verb agreement. Raise your hand quickly. Okay, what is subject? What happened 7th class? What is subject? Jasmine.
Ma'am, a word or a person who is doing some action.
Yes, exactly, Gaurish. Okay, yes, Aksham. Okay, what type of agreement, Karthik? Okay, Samarth, what type of agreement between subject and verb? कैसा agreement होता है इनमें? Yes, Ipsa. Okay, Chehek, Siddharthi. Okay, sit down all. So subject is the main thing of the sentence we are talking about. It's the doer. He or she does the action. It's the doer. And verb is the action. Now there is one agreement between subject and verb. If the subject is singular, then verb should be singular. If you are talking about one person, you will use singular verb only. So this is the agreement. Verb has to agree with subject in number. According to number of subjects, verb changes. Verb has to agree with subject according to number. If one subject is there, then verb will be singular. If two or more are there, then verb will be plural. This is called subject-verb agreement. Now, who will tell me again the meaning of subject-verb agreement? Madhav, one. What is subject-verb agreement? What happened, beta? Is it a rocket science? मैं कुछ बहुत अजीब समझा रही हूँ. So verb change according to number of subject. That is called subject-verb agreement. Simple. जैसे जल्दी repeat करो फिर हम rule start करें. What is subject-verb agreement? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Verb in number changes. What is the meaning of this word? Give example. Number का क्या मतलब होता है? Akshara. Subject-verb agreement. Exactly, well done. If the subject is singular, verb must be singular. If subject is plural, then verb is also plural. They agree with the number. Okay. Now rule number 1, please. Rule number 1. First of all, we'll discuss and only. And के 3 rules बनते हैं हमारे पास. ठीक है? So we are going to discuss this word and there are 3 rules related to and. So first rule is very easy. If two different subjects are there, then you will, and they are having and. Then they are taken as plural. Tell me any 2 different subjects. कोई भी दो सब्जेक्ट बताओ जो अलग अलग हो एक दूसरे से. यस बेटा. Okay, I and my friends. He is someone different, friends different. Then we'll take it as plural. Okay, yes, Jasmine. Table and chair, okay. Coffee and tea, okay, yes. Ram and Priya, okay, yes, Sarmi. Okay. So, whenever two different subjects are joined by the word and, they are taken as plural. Like someone said, so obviously you will use is or are here. Is or are? So because they are taken as plural और plural के साथ are आते हैं. Whenever two different subjects are joined by the word and, we use plural verb. This is the simplest rule, I think you all know. Now this is rule number 1. Have you written it? Now rule number 2, again of and only. Now same subject joined by and. Same subject joined by and. For example, there is one producer and one director. वो एक ही person है. Of the film, producer and director are the same, is the same person. The producer and director dash in the room. Here you will use the word is. Because we are talking about same person. He is producer also, he is director also. So we are talking about same person. So it is taken as singular. But the article will tell you. If there are two articles, the, here also, this means they are different. But only if one the is there, then they are the same one. Now give me one more example in which two people are actually one people. यहाँ पे जो दो subject होते हैं वो one हो. Okay, that is dish. ठीक है. और अब बोर्ड पे देखना. लास्ट टाइम बोल रही हूँ. So maybe my friend and one philosopher. Philosopher is the person who is a very wise man और उसकी एक philosophy होती है, life की एक thinking होती है. So maybe my friend and the philosopher, they are the same, one person only. जब भी यहाँ पर the नहीं लिखा होगा at this place, you have to think that कि ये एक ही person. Okay? Yes, Karthik. Okay. Maybe he is an actor also, businessman also. So you will take it as singular. I am repeating it again. The नहीं होना चाहिए दोनों के साथ. Then you can take it as singular. Any other example, online students also? Now, if I would write here, this is exception, beta. The producer and the director. Now you will take it as singular or plural? The producer and the director, there are two articles here. Now you will take it as plural.
I'm like the dancer and choreographer.
Yes, exactly. The dancer and choreographer, maybe dancer भी same है और उसने अपने आप को choreograph किया है, then that is taken as singular. If there are two articles here, you will take it as plural. आपको उसको plural लेना, ठीक है? Any other example? फिर बेटा आप द नहीं यूज करोगे दो बार. अगर आपको is यूज करना है,
Ma'am,
the cosmetologist and dermatologist is in the room. If you will use to the, then वो are बन जाए, ठीक है? Yes, Savya?
ma'am, I have an example.
Yes, बेटा.
I want to eat the bread and the butter.
Okay, बेटा, but यहाँ पर I is the subject. You have to put them in place of subject, बेटा. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, बेटा, speak up. Exactly. If I would write bread and butter, I'm not using article here. Bread and butter, this means it's a single thing. I'm not using any the with it. This is a single thing. So is Yamin. But like she said, the bread and the butter, दोनों के साथ अगर the आ जाए, then they will become plural.
Ma'am, for example, the Tom and Jerry.
Yes, बेटा, but Tom and Jerry, उनके साथ अगर the नहीं भी आएगा, they are different people. Tom अलग चीज है, Jerry अलग चीज है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Karthik. Yes, exactly. Is it clear? Second rule, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
First rule में था, if two different subjects are there, like Gaurish said, Tom and Jerry. Tom is different thing, Jerry different है. माधव उठ जाओ, कितनी बासी है बेटा? So Tom and Jerry, they are two different subjects. वो तो R ही आएगा for sure. But rule number 2 is when same, we are talking about same thing, they are taken as singular. Is it clear? Now next one, third rule. वो भी and के related है. Is it different or same subject? तो technically ये plural होना चाहिए, but अगर इनके साथ एक ये word आ जाता है, every father and child, then it will become singular. Whenever each or every comes anywhere, it always becomes singular. So each and every doesn't matter, अलग-अलग लिखा है, क्या लिखा है, you just need to focus on this thing only. Each, every, they are taken as singular. Starting. Each or every always taken as singular. Doesn't matter यहाँ पे and लिखा है, two different subject है, it doesn't matter. If every is written, each is written, it is always taken as singular. So these were the 3 rules of and. Is there any problem in this? Okay, now I'm going to ask you questions then. Ravjot. The fish and the curry dash ready. The fish and the curry dash ready. Is or are? Are. Reason? There are two different things. Okay. Is he correct, beta? He's saying R is the answer. Is he correct? Reason क्योंकि दो बार द लिखा था. ठीक है. Okay, next one. Bishop. मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछना था. The doctor and his father dash in the clinic. The doctor and his father dash in the clinic. This will. Karthik. Correct. Sixth week. Yes, beta. Is or are? Raise your hand if you think that is the answer. Online also raise your hand. If you think is the answer. Okay, if you think R is the answer, raise your hand. Karthik, you said is, I think. R is the answer. Two different subjects are there. एक doctor है और एक his father है. If I would have said that the doctor and father, then it would have been is. क्योंकि वो same thing. Exactly. Okay, next please. Sonam. Each boy and girl dash good marks. Get or gets. Each boy, yes. Each is taken as singular, so gets is the correct answer. Well done. From here, Vaibhav, Veronica, where are you? Parth, Tanvi. You are not raising hand. Okay, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am.
The hero and the director dash discussing the film.
Ma'am, are discussing a film, ma'am, because there are different subjects in this sentence.
Exactly. Shobh,
Yes, ma'am.
bread and jam dash delicious.
Bread and jam are delicious.
Bread and jam dash delicious. Bread and jam dash delicious. Harmeet, bas beta. Shobh, is आएगा beta. I haven't used the word the bread and the jam. Okay. मैं सिर्फ bread और jam कह रही हूँ. Okay. Now next rule, please. बेटा each and every वाला rule number 3 था. Collective noun, if one collective noun, one group is there, it is taken as singular. एक group होना चाहिए. Now don't just look at here that sailors, many sailors are there. You will write are. You have to see how many groups of sailors are there. How many groups are there? Or means one group is there. So your answer will be is. Yes. Exactly. Hargunpreet Singh. Hargunpreet, please answer. Okay. How many of you agree that R is the answer? Is. Raise your hand for is. Some students don't think anything. Now, is na R, what happened? Chalo, is wale hand raise karo jaldi se. How many groups of sheep are there? More than one. So your answer will be R. A collective noun hai, then don't write is directly. Please think that one group is there or many groups are there. Yes. Yes, a pack of card is okay. Yes. Yes, a murder of crows are kept on table, is kept on table. Sorry. A bunch of keys is kept on table. Any one example, Chehek? इसको छोड़ के make your own example. Is beautiful. Okay. Yes. Pack of cards. दोबारा से कार्ड्स ही होता है. यस, आपने अ पैक बोला. द पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स. आगे.
Ma'am, flock of birds are looking beautiful.
फ्लॉक्स ऑफ बर्ड में बेटा आ रहेगा और फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स में इज आएगा. यस,
Yes, ma'am.
एग्जैक्टली. ओके. एनीवन? Okay. Okay, now rule number 5, please. Rule number 5. In case of either or, neither nor, you have to see the second subject. You will see the second subject. In case of either or, neither nor, see the second subject. Chitesh, how many subjects are there? कितने लोगों की बात हो रही है बेटा? How many subjects are there? First one is student, second principal. According to rule, you have to see which subject? Principal only. So your answer will be. In case of either or, neither nor, you have to see the second subject. जो बिल्कुल blank के पास लिखा हो. So we have one more example, neither nor, either or.
Yes, ma'am. Either father or child is walking in the park.
Okay, correct. How many subjects are there, Ravjot? Ravjot. How many subjects? Hmm? How many subjects? 2. First subject is? Second subject? So in either or, which subject you see first or second? क्या आंसर आएगा? सारा सेंटेंस भूल जाओ. चिल्ड्रन डैश वॉकिंग. चिल्ड्रन. One more example, neither nor. जल्दी से. Yes, Raghav. Okay. So you can make any example of your own, one by one. Ipsa, Karthik, Harmeet, Jason, one by one. Yes. Can, okay, can go with anyone. Try to use is them are here. Yes. Okay. Okay. So in case of either, neither, you have to see the second subject. Is it clear? Now rule number 6. There are some words, for example, in addition to, as well as, with, along with, including,
Ma'am, besides to,
yes, together with, besides का बेटा अलग रूल बनेगा. I'll tell you. And last is accompanied by. You have to see the first subject. In these cases, you have to see the first subject. In addition to, as well as, with, along with, including, together with, accompanied by. You will see the first subject. Now try to make one sentence using these words. First is in addition to. Make one sentence. In addition to, make one sentence. बेटा मैं बोल देती हूँ. In addition to, as well as, with, along with, including, together with, accompanied by. Yes, it's a in addition to. And online students, if you are ready, you can also tell me. It's a. Repeat it, beta. Mask, 2 minutes. किसी का भी इनमें से. Okay. So Raj as well as his parents dash going to party. क्या आएगा? Raj as well as his parents dash going to the party. You have to see the first subject. Raj is the first one, so you will write is only. Okay, next.
ma'am, the child along with his father was playing yesterday.
Yes. The child along with his parents. अब कौन है first subject? The child along with his parents. Child is the first subject. So क्या आएगा? Is. The child along with his parents is playing chess. Yes. Rohan including Raj is in ऐसे आएगा। फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट कौन सा बेटा? तो आई के साथ क्या आएगा? एम। आई अलोंग विद माई मदर आई एम गोइंग टू, ये बेटा ग्रामेटिकली सेंटेंस ही रॉन्ग है। ओके, माई मदर एंड आई आर गोइंग, सिंपल बन जाएगा। यस, ओके, एनीवन एल्स? जल्दी बेटा, वी हैव 2 minutes। यस, इंक्लूडिंग, ओके, पर इसमें बेटा वर्ब आना चाहिए बाद में, आपका वर्ब नहीं आया। साहिब प्रीत, मेक 1 sentence। अक्षरा इसके बाद।
Ma'am, I have one sentence.
बेटा सब्जेक्ट में आना चाहिए विद, आपका लास्ट पे विद आ रहा है स्टार्टिंग में।
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, the actor accompanied by his brother is traveling to Canada.
ठीक है बेटा। The singer accompanied by instrumentalist is singing melodiously. Yes, Akshara. Okay. So I'll meet you.
Ma'am,
Discuss beta.
Ma'am, Raj is
Yes.
Ma'am, Raj is accompanied by his friends in the game.
दोबारा से बेटा शुभ।
Ma'am, Raj is accompanied by his friends in the game.
Yes बेटा। Okay. चलो I'll meet you tomorrow.